Long before the world was as we know it today, there existed an era shrouded in mysticism, a time of spiritual exploration and profound introspection. It was an age where the essence of divinity coursed through nature and humanity, seeking a path that would connect the mortal realm to the celestial. In the heart of the Indian subcontinent, amidst the confluence of time and eternity, a beacon of wisdom arose, illuminating the world with its profound teachings. Hello, and welcome to Impactful Moments, where we explore some of the most, you guessed it, impactful moments in human history. In today's video, we will be discussing the establishment of Hinduism, one of the oldest and most influential religions that humanity has seen. Our journey begins over 4,000 years ago in the ancient lands of the Indian subcontinent. At this time, there were many different Aryan tribes of Central Asian origin that formed communities within the Indus Valley region, each with their own customs and beliefs. Over time, these different groups began to interact and trade with each other, leading to the exchange of ideas and rituals. During what is known as the Vedic period, a roughly 1,000-year period beginning about 1500 BCE, sacred hymns known as the Vedas were composed, serving as the bedrock of Hinduism's spiritual beliefs. The four Vedas, Rig Veda, Sama Veda, Yajur Veda, and Atharva Veda, provided ideas of chanting, mantras, rituals, and ceremonies, as well as guidance for practical aspects of life. It also introduced devas and devis, deities that represent different aspects of nature and moral traits, and are often considered manifestations of a central creating force called Brahman, which encompasses these deities. These Vedas begin to form a connection of the disparate tribes, uniting them under a common belief system. They were orally passed from generation to generation and are not traced to an individual religious founder, and while providing foundational tenets of the religion, are practiced differently among different Hindu groups. The end of the Vedic period and the next several centuries, beginning between 600 and 400 BCE, built upon the Vedic period and produced epics and other spiritual texts, such as the Upanishads, Puranas, Ramayana, Mahabharata, and its subtexts, the Bhagavad Gita. These late and post-Vedic texts introduced practices, philosophies, beliefs, and deities, and provide a structured way of life that led to a more centralized rise of Hinduism. This period also introduced three central Hinduistic tenets called Dharma, which refers to the duties and actions that individuals take to fulfill their purpose within the order of the universe, Karma, or the consequences of the actions, both good and bad, that individuals take in this life and how they fulfill or go against Dharma, and Moksha, also referred to as nirvana, which is the ultimate goal of Hinduism, of separating one's self from the continuous cycle of reincarnation called samsara. Moksha is attained by removing all negative karma throughout the samsara by performing actions in perfect harmony with Dharma. As Hinduism began to take root, it profoundly influenced the social fabric of ancient Indus Valley society. As noted, it united different tribes within the Indus Valley under a common belief system and created a social caste system, though often misunderstood and misused, that aimed to provide a structured social order, with each varna or class contributing to the collective welfare of society. The artistic development of Hinduism following the Vedic period contributed to magnificent temples and sacred sites that became beacons of spirituality, fostering devotion and rituals to connect with the divine. The practice of yoga, originating from the ancient sage Patanjali, also paved the path to physical and spiritual well-being, transcending boundaries of body and mind. The establishment of Hinduism shaped the cultural, religious, and philosophical landscape for millennia to come. Hinduism's profound teachings transcended India's borders, influencing neighboring countries and giving rise to related belief systems such as Buddhism and Jainism. Today, Hindu practices such as yoga and meditation are embraced worldwide by people from diverse backgrounds seeking physical and mental well-being. With over 1 billion followers, Hinduism stands as the world's third largest religion, fostering a rich tapestry of culture. From grand festivals to humble rituals performed in homes, the religion's vibrant practices continues to evolve and adapt, ensuring its relevance in contemporary times. If you enjoyed this video and found it informative, please consider liking and subscribing to our channel. Your support helps us to continue creating captivating, impactful historical content. Thanks for watching.